Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the process of fertilization in angiosperm plants. What is the fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete nucleus is called as fertilization. In angiosperm plants, double fertilization process take place. So, we will talk about the double fertilization and triple fusion in angiosperm plants. Discovery of double fertilization by S.G. Navaschin in 1898 in Lilium and Fritillaria plant. After discharge from pollen tube, one male gamete fused with the egg cell, which is haploid condition, and from the diploid zygote stage. This is called as true fertilization and syngamy. Syngamy means amphimixis, fusion of male and female gamete nucleus. Then the oospore is formed. The second male gamete fused with the secondary nucleus or pollen nuclei, which is in already diploid stage, and forms a triploid nucleus 3n condition, and it is called primary endosperm nucleus, PEN. This is called as triple fusion. It means one male gamete fused with egg cell and from zygote. This is called as true fertilization or syngamy, and one male gamete fused with pollen nucleus of central cell and from primary endosperm nucleus in triploid condition. This is called as triple fusion. Thus, both the male gametes participate in fertilization, that is, fertilization take place twice. This is called double fertilization. And remaining cells in embryo sac, antipodial cells and synergid cells degenerate after fertilization because pollen nuclei convert into primary endosperm nucleus and egg cell convert into zygote. Let's see the process of fertilization in this diagram. After entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac, vegetative nucleus of pollen tube and tip part of pollen tube is destroyed. When pollen tube enter into embryo sac, one synergid cell is already destroyed, and both male gametes enter into the pollen tube. It is egg cell in haploid condition, these are synergid cell and above 3 cells located on micropyle end are called antipodal cell. These are two polar nuclei. These two male gametes or two male nuclei enter into embryo sac, and one male nuclei fuse with egg cell and one male nuclei fuse with central cell or two polar nuclei or second nucleus. Resultant egg cell convert into zygote and polar nuclei contains already two nucleus, and fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei, then they convert into primary endosperm nucleus, in short PEN. Further, primary endosperm nucleus divide by continuous mitosis division and form endosperm. 3n condition. Remaining cells, antipodal cells and synaptic cells are destroyed, and in embryo sac only egg cell develop into zygote. Further, zygote gets nutrition from endosperm and convert into embryo. Embryo develop into seed. It means in embryo sac only endosperm and embryo is present after fertilization. Function of endosperm is provide nutrition to developing embryo. After that, embryo convert into seed. Let's see. One male gamete fuse with egg cell, both are haploid. And form zygote. This is called syngamy or true fertilization. Remaining one male gamete fuse with two polar nucleus or secondary nucleus which are already in diploid condition. 1n plus 2n form a 3n structure which is called as primary endosperm nucleus. It is triple fusion. When one male gamete fuse with two polar nuclei or secondary nuclei, then form a triploid structure which is called primary endosperm nucleus, and this process is known as triple fusion. Both syngamy and triple fusion are known as double fertilization because fertilization process take place twice. Further, zygote convert into embryo and embryo form seed, and primary endosperm nucleus form endosperm. Endosperm is a nutritive substance which provides the nutrition to developing zygote. Double fertilization is an important and unique feature of angiosperms. Besides angiosperms, this feature is not found in any other group. It means double fertilization process take place only in angiosperm plants, not in gymnosperm, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta and algae. There is a duration of 2 hours to 25 hours between pollination and fertilization. Triple fusion occurs before fusion of male and female gametes. It means syngamy or true fertilization take place after the triple fusion. One male gamete fuse with two polar nuclei, then primary endosperm nucleus is formed. After this, syngamy process take place because triple fusion is essential in angiosperm plants to provide nutrition to developing embryo. Now, what is the significance of double fertilization in angiosperm plants? In angiosperm plants, one male gamete fuse with female gametes to form diploid zygote, which on further development forms embryo. Second male gamete fuse with secondary nucleus to form triploid endosperm nucleus, which develop to form endosperm. Now, function of endosperm. The endosperm supplies food material to the developing embryo, and it is initial or primary source of nutrition to developing embryo. Because cells of endosperm contain carbohydrates, fats and protein as per plant species. In some plants, endosperm cells contain suckers through which these cells derive their nutrition from nearby cells, and in endospermic seed, endosperm provide nutrition to newly developed plantlet at the time of seed germination. So, it is the nutritive component for embryo and plantlet to arise new plants at the time of seed germination. Required nutritive substance are present in embryo sac for development of embryo. But many plant embryologists believe that endosperm presents hybrid nature of both parents as it contains chromosomes of both male and female parent. So, endosperm supplies food to developing embryo, due to which the embryo is differentiated properly, leading to the formation of viable seeds. According to Brink and Cooper scientists, the endosperm is a tissue developed to compensate for the extreme reduction of female gametophyte in angiosperms. And both the syngamy and triple fusion are important for formation of a viable seed. Note, it is important to note that in angiosperms, triple fusion results in the formation of a triploid nucleus known as primary endosperm nucleus. This act takes place during fertilization. The primary endosperm nucleus divided to form a triploid nutritive tissue called endosperm. The endosperm is formed after the ectofertilization and before the development of embryo begins. In gymnosperms, the endosperm is a haploid tissue is formed much before the act of fertilization. But in angiosperms, endosperm is in triploid condition and it is formed after the act of fertilization and before the development of embryo begins. Now, endosperms and its types. Because endosperm is a triploid structure which provides the nutrition to developing embryo. On the basis of development, endosperm in angiosperms is of three types. First, nuclear endosperm, second, cellular endosperm, and third, halobial endosperm. Now, we will talk about the nuclear endosperm. The primary endosperm nucleus divides repeatedly without cell wall formation. It means only karyokinesis take place, not cytokinesis. And all the divisions are mitotic. And many nucleus are formed by free nuclear division in primary endosperm nucleus. And these nucleus arranged towards the periphery of the embryo sac and a large vacuole is formed in the center region. After some time, wall formation starts and it becomes cellular. For example, coconut milk or coconut water, because there is liquid filled in endosperm in which many nucleus float. And 50% families of angiosperms have this kind of endosperm. Let's see the structure of nuclear endosperm. When In embryo sac, primary endosperm nucleus divide by continue mitosis division and form a many free nucleus towards the periphery without cell wall, and in the center a vacuole is formed, and this type of endosperm is found in coconut water. Second, cellular endosperm. The primary endosperm nucleus divide continue by mitotically division, and the first and most of the subsequent nuclear divisions are accompanied by cell wall formation, so that the embryo sac becomes divided into several chambers. It means cytokinesis occurs after every nuclear division, so that endosperm is of cellular form and embryo sac becomes divided into several chambers. For example, in coconut milk and Gametophyte series of angiosperms. Gametophyte means petals are fused condition. For example, in Villarcia plant and in Adoxa plant. Let's see structure of cellular endosperm. After prenuclear division in primary endosperm nucleus, cytokinesis take place and form a many chambers in the endosperms. Resultant, every nucleus arranged in a sequence due to wall formation, and this kind of endosperm is known as cellular endosperm. Now, third type, halobial endosperm. It is intermediate between cellular and prenuclear endosperm. The first division of endosperm mother nucleus is followed by cell wall formation, forming to an unequal cell a very big cell on micropyle end and small cell on chilage end. Micropyle cell divide by prenuclear division, later followed by cell wall formation, and in chilage end one or two division may take place. For example, order of halobiates of monocot plants have this kind of endosperm. Let's see structure of halobial endosperm. In this endosperm, two unequal division take place. Resultant, two unequal cells are formed. A small cell is formed towards micropyle end and a big cell formed towards chilage end. In big cells, prenuclear division take place, and in small cell, cellular division take place. Due to this, it has both nuclear and cellular type of endosperm. Now, next topic, development of embryo or embryogenesis. What is the embryogenesis? A formation of embryo from diploid zygote is called embryogenesis, and embryogenesis was first of all studied in dicot plants of Cruciferous family, Klebsiella bursa pastoris, by Hansten scientist in 1840. Let's see the process of development of embryo. After synchrony or true fertilization, the egg cell is converted into zygote, which is in diploid condition. The first division of zygote is transverse. And form two cells. One cell which lies towards interior of embryo sac is called terminal cell or embryonal cell. And one cell towards below the embryonal cell is known as basal cell or suspensor cell. Embryonal cell denoted by Ca and basal or suspensor cell denoted by Cb. Further, the embryonal cells divide by vertical division. And basal or suspensor cell divide by transverse division. Resultant this structure is formed. Further, basal cell or suspensor cell divided continue by transverse division and form 5 to 6 cells which are called as suspensor cell. The uppermost cell of the suspensor swell up and form a hosterium which suck the nutrition from endosperm. Suspensor cell pushes the developing embryo into food for taking endosperm, and the upper cell function as hosterium, and the lowermost cell of suspensor is called as hypophysis. It means these all cells are suspensor cells formed by continued transfer division in suspensor cell 1 to 10. Uppermost cell is swell up and form hosterium, and remaining cells of suspensor cells are known as hypophysis. And hypophysis cells form radicle. In the meantime, Two cells formed by vertical division of terminal cell or embryonal cells divided by transverse division and forming four embryonal axis or quadrate stage. Two-celled stage of embryo is known as proembryo. It means it is the part of embryonic cells. Further, proembryo divided by transverse division and form a quadrate stage of embryo, because in this four cells are present and below cells are known as suspensor or hosterium cells. The suspensor cells is destroyed after the formation of radicle. In quadrate stage, these four cells divide by another vertical division and forming 8-cell stage, which are called as octant stage. It is the peripheral division. Four cells at the apex, epibasal cells, give rise to plumule and cotyledons called hypobasal cells give rise to hypocotyledon most part of the radicle. All cells of octant stage divide by a periclinial division and forming one layer of epidermal cells which is located on outer side, and further divided by anticlinial division and form dermatogen. And inner cells divide by several transverse and vertical division forming plerome in the center and peribellum in the between plerome and dermatogen. Dermatogen forms epidermis part, peribellum form cortex and plerome form vascular tissue. After several division, the embryo becomes chordate. The chordate embryo differentiates into two lobes which later develop into cotyledons. After octant stage, form of embryo is globular. In this, outer tier is known as epidermis, below the epidermis cortex region, and in the center procambium system is found. Further, head-shaped stage of embryo is formed in this plumule and radicle are seen. These are suspensory part. Further, head-shaped stage of embryo convert into torpedo stage. In this, two cotyledons are formed. Two cotyledons are separated by a embryonic axis below the cotyledons. Hypocotyle is present and above the cotyledons epicotyle part is present. and finally form a complete embryo or curved stage of embryo inside the ovule. And suspensory cells suck the nutrition from endosperm, which are located on the periphery, and in the center two cotyledons, it means dicot embryo, is formed. It has plumule and radicle. Plumule is the shoot apex part and radicle is the root apex part. Let's see. Zygote divide by transfer division and form embryonal cells and basal cells. Further, embryonal cells divide by vertical division and form two-cell stage of embryo, and basal cells divide by transfer division and form four-cell stage embryo. Further, suspensor cells divide by continue transfer division and form 5 to 10 stage of cells, which are known as suspensor cells. Uppermost cells of suspense cells is converted into hosterium cells, which suck the nutrition from endosperm. And remaining cells of suspense cells are known as hypophysis cells, which form the radical part. Further, embryonal cells divide by transfer division and form four-cell stage of embryo. It is also known as quadrate stage. Further, vertical division take place in the quadrate embryo and form octate stage of embryo. After this, another vertical division take place in the octate embryo and form a globular stage of embryo inside the dermatogen. It means epidermis part forming take place. Further, a complete globular stage of embryo is formed. Outer layer is formed epidermis and inner layer form vascular tissue, cortex region. After this, globular stage convert into heart-shaped embryo. Outer layer form dermatogen or epidermis. Second layer form peripleum, which is the cortex region, and inside in the central region pleroma region is found, which form vascular tissue or pith region. Below this, radicle is found, and finally form a dicot embryo. Two cotyledons in the center. Between both cotyledons, embryonal axis is found, and tip part of embryonal axis is known as plumule, which form shoot part, and lower part is form radicle, which convert into root. After germination of seed, plumule and radicle form the shoot and root system, and a complete embryo is located in the ovule. These are two cotyledons, stem tip, root region, nucleus cells, endosperm nucleus. These are suspension cells, and these are outer and inner tegment, which convert into outer seed coat and inner seed coat. Structure of dicot plant embryo. Two cotyledons are present. Tip part of cotyledons is known as epicotyle, and cotyledons attached to embryonal axis, and the axis between the cotyledons is called plumule, and the lower part of embryonal axis is known as radicle, and a root tip develop over the radicle, which is also known as root cape. The upper part of cotyledons is called as epicotyle, and the lower part of cotyledons is known as hypocotyle.